Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is May 14th, 2019, and today is Tuesday morning. So looking at the major economic events a day, average earning index coming out of the United Kingdom, that's going to be at 10:30 South African time. Now looking at the markets, Forex symbols, the US dollar strengthens as the Dow tumbles. That's a normal reaction. We had a massive decline in the Dow Jones, a roller coaster of a ride. It was down over 600 points in intraday trading. That is a massive retracement for the Dow. We'll take a look at it in just a moment. And looking at the commodities, oil tumbles as well, while gold spikes up. Okay, so there's a little. Lastly, looking at Bitcoin, out of all the items out, okay, Bitcoin looks like it's going to the moon, over 1,000 points in intraday. Almost intraday, okay, 900 points. We were looking at yesterday, and it was looking at something like 7,000, and it bounces to 7,900. Amazing rally. We're at resistance. We'll take a look at that as well. But let's take a look at what we can expect from today's trading. Okay, so we're going to avoid the Euro USD because it's just not trading. Okay, but looking at the GBP USD, you can see we had this decline from 131-ish level down to 129-ish level. This is a daily chart, obviously, just to give you a perspective of it. But we're getting closer to our support level. Okay, this downwards trend line is subsequently a support level. So let's see if that actually creates itself. Let's see on a shorter time frame, what are we looking at? We're looking at a correctional move right here below 130-ish level, and this may continue to slide down. Now we're looking at the other USD related currencies, looking at the Swiss franc back to support level here at almost one flat. Aussie USD also breaking down, okay, getting closer to that support level. We're even looking here at a weekly chart just to give you a perspective. So we're really at a multi-year support level right here. As you can see, this could break down even further if it does continue its momentum. Now, we did speak about this yesterday, as it was this little spike last week in relation to the rate number that came out and then the tumble that comes afterwards. Now, jumping into commodities, this is the nice spike that we had in gold yesterday, spiking from 1283 to 1299. That was a nice little spike. There may be a correctional move here. Okay, so you got to take that into perspective as the market may correct itself today, in the anticipation that it's all basically news. Okay, it's all news trading. It's all emotional trading. Okay, so at some point the rational self will catch up to itself, and we'll see some sort of correction to the market. Now jumping into oil, that's a massive decline for oil from 63 to $60 a barrel in intraday trading. That's a massive decline there. We're looking at a 4-hour chart. We're still within the range, okay? Haven't really broken it. We're not trending, okay? We're not trending, as you can see here on a daily. We're just really consolidating here at $60 a barrel. So I don't think we're going to get back to the $74 unless there's some sort of, massive war with Iran. I don't think that we're going to get there, but I do think that we'll be continuing this little trading range, okay, unless we break this $60 a barrel, in which case we may even go down to $58 a barrel. So keep that in mind as that continues to trade today. Now, this is really the player of the day, the Dow Jones, okay? Then we're looking at a 50 Mars, look at a 4-hour chart. And just to give you a perspective, just last week at this time, we were trading at 26,600, 500 level, 400 level, and boom, look where we are now. Just within just a week, we're actually trading about 1,000 points below. Okay, on one lot, that's $5,000. Okay, this is a nice week salary. Okay, if you're making $5,000 a week, just trading this, that'd be great. Okay, it is more volatile than it normally is, okay, but we do expect some sort of bounce. The question is whether or not this has seen its bottom yet, okay, which is somewhat questionable, because we do have a support here where we are right now, 25,380. As you can see previously, we had that support. Okay, tested those two support levels twice, but we're breaching it right here. So the question is this a bottom, or are we going to go further down? Okay, the next real level is 24,970, which potentially could be our next spot. Okay, so that's something to consider as we continue trading in the Dow Jones going into today's session. Now, lastly, jumping into Bitcoin. Okay, now this is really the one. Okay, look at this. 8,000. We're trading at 8,000 Bitcoin. Okay, look at that. Just an intraday. Look at a 15-minute chart just to give you a perspective. Yesterday we were trading at 7,021, and look at where we are right now. Over 1,000 points in intraday trading. That's massive. Okay, so it looks like it wants to get back. Okay, just to give you a perspective, this is crazy. All right, we're looking at a daily chart. We have to jump into a weekly chart just to give you a perspective here. So there is a little bit of a resistance right here at 8,100. Okay, if we break that, we could definitely see it go back to the 10,000 range. Okay, who would have known? Okay, but you know, this all goes back to this area of breaking this 3,900. That was really the spot that was the sweet spot to actually buy it. And sure enough, you know, you see this massive incline here. All right, so with this said, remember, you know, trading Bitcoin is a little bit dangerous. It is very volatile. You want to, you know, perhaps maybe even scalp it during the day as opposed to position trade it, because if you could find yourself on the wrong side, we could really do some damage on your account, which we obviously would like to avoid. This is Fred Razak. Want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.